Hi Internet! It's me, Francesca, and today I will show you guys how I do my current skincare routine. This is what I do to maintain my close Comedones free face. So, let's go! Also, disclaimer, I am so sorry, but I'm not gonna be putting my bangs away for this video. I just don't want to do it. I don't have any makeup under there and I didn't do my eyebrows, so but I'm gonna do my best to show you everything. And also later I might put back my lipstick on, or a little bit of eyeliner. Forgive me. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is double cleanse, and I'm gonna use just plain old baby oil for this. Days where I don't wear a full face of makeup and I just wear sunscreen, I don't do this step anymore. I don't cleanse with oil because my sunscreen is just a gel, like a light gel sunscreen, so I don't feel the need to remove it with oil. So if it's like a no makeup day, I just go ahead and wash with my facial soap. I'm actually looking for a new soap because this soap, its active ingredient is tryptophan, and it's actually banned in some countries because it causes antibacterial resistance. And that's what happens when you take so much antibiotics and one day it doesn't work because the bacteria has gotten used to that drug. And I don't want this soap to stop working one day. I want it to be the solution when I break up one day. So this is it, you guys. By the way, I put on lipstick and lip balm, but other than that, I don't dry my face with a towel. I just let it air dry, and that's it. You guys know that my active is only one of 3 things, so that's either BHA or glycolic acid, okay, or tretinoin. So these days I really just use tretinoin for anti-aging purposes. But honestly, my skin is so much more calm and so much nicer when I don't use this, so I really have been slacking for months now. Without these two, my skin would never be clear. But right now my skin doesn't really need them. So in the future maybe I will if I get close comedones again or acne. But right now they will just be safely tucked away in my drawer. I also try my best to put on petroleum jelly as an eye cream. And I also try my best to put it on my neck, but it's sticky and the weather is humid, so I'm gonna keep trying because this is really great for locking in moisture into your skin, and that's basically what a good moisturizer must do. And there's no better occlusive than petroleum jelly, and also it's not comedogenic, so I again just wash my face with the same cleanser, and then this is my ride or die Biore watery sunscreen. It feels like nothing at all, and so it's really easy to apply even down to my neck. See, it's like a gel. It has no white cast, nothing. because it's so moisturizing and it gives my skin this beautiful glowy finish. I also use it as a moisturizer because I'm trying to keep my products minimal to prevent close comedones, like I said before. The more products, the more gunk can build up. So I'm just trying to keep everything light. Okay, so that's all there is for me. That's how I maintain my skin to be close comedones free. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful, and if you have video suggestions, ideas, things you want me to do, just put them in the comments below. I want to do them, I'm gonna do them, and that's it. I will see you guys in my next video.